Daniel's Coffee in Shropshire, England. Thought we'd do a little video on this beast that we've been working on for the last few days for Danielle of Daniel's Coffee.
Present to herself.
Exactly.
It wasn't meant to be, but it's got to be, innit?
Yeah,
she can't sell this.
Unfortunately, had to go and do a piano exam today. So good luck. Hope everything's going well for you.
Yeah. I hope we didn't mess it up.
Yeah. Everything got a bit hairy because a few bits took a bit longer than we wanted them to, but everything's looking good. So this is the machine. It's an Elektra 60s classic. 15 years old, would you believe? We'll show you the plaque in a minute. Around the front, but obviously quite customised. Doesn't look like this when it comes off the shelf. Neon blue lights coming out of it everywhere. Boiler's been polished, nice and shiny. Everything's been opened up. Even the wiring loom's been cut back. Everything's been made nice and tidy. Everything's been made nice and waterproof, and it works like an absolute dream. So we thought
it's an Elektra.
Well, that's that. Can't argue with that. We just thought while we're here, before we head off for a couple more jobs on the road, we'd get us pouring some coffees on film so you can see just how good it is for yourself. Any of the image quality on the film isn't quite up there. Check out our Instagram and our Facebook and our Twitter, and we'll try and get some nice high-res images up so you can really appreciate how awesome this machine really is. We're really impressed. Back with ourselves this time, mate.
Yeah, I think so, mate. I think so. I'm having a coffee. She ready? Sporting the Motta Europa milk jug.
Good choice. Good choice for the latte artist.
Bit bigger than I would choose, probably, but I usually only make myself a drink, so we'll go for single shot. Let's go for it. Longer in there.
There isn't an awful lot of movement on the inside of a coffee machine. I don't know anyone that hasn't seen inside one before, but they're pretty solid inside. One cool feature about this one, you can see the pump motor kicking in when you get up close and have a good look in there, but everything else is pretty stationary. Get to see some nice steam effects coming through the lights when you give the steam arm a blast. Again, we'll take you around the front in a second and show you some of the features on this machine. It's called a 60s classic. It's not from the 60s, but it's definitely a classic. From the front, we've customised the LEDs that are all on the front. They're all nice blue to match the LED on the inside. How's the coffee, Nick?
Elektra.
Well, while you're telling the viewers about some of the other features, I'm going to make myself a coffee, mate. Try some Daniel's coffee.
Yeah. Danielle's based in Bridgnorth. She does really nice coffee. You can probably see a little roaster in the background there. It's a profiling roaster. Obviously the bigger batch stuff gets done outside of this building, but it'll all get profiled over there in the background. Make your own coffee. Try it out on this amazing Elektra. Take it back home or take it to your coffee shop, whatever you want. I'm going to move the angle on the camera because there it is.
Still not quite used to the Elektra group angles. They're going at a little bit of a different angle to the rest of the machines that we usually work on.
Yeah. She's all set up now.
Yeah, I know. Nick's just spent the time setting her up and I've just gone and used the free flow button. Different consistency to our coffee. It's noticeable.
What did you put in? Single.
That's a double.
Double. What? And you filled it on the Mac app, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not a bad thing. Just,
No.
Where's the milk?
It's my cup out. It's in the fridge, would you believe it?
Wow!
So you want to go out the back and milk a cow?
Mark it!
Definitely find a cow to milk around here. We'll just point out the buzzy pump is due to the shore flow pump, so there's no mains water in this building.
Now this Elektra's got the levers for hot water and steam. A really pleasure to use, doesn't matter if you're left-handed, right-handed, upside down or standing up, you're going to get good milk out of it.
Stand it up, upside down on your head. Come for a meringue, have you?
Yeah, afraid so.
Nice.
Notice how you didn't show your attempt to the camera this time either. So.
Ooh. Come on then. I'm going for it.
Just to prove
latte art.
I'm not actually very good at latte art. The last video was a fluke.
Not a robot.
Was a fluke.
Oh my days. Right, last cup of coffee then, and we better lock her up.
Yeah. Another interesting feature about this this machine is
the single over here.
Unlike most espresso machines, it doesn't just have a single and a double. It has a 3 buttons basically, all of which have a double function. So you can really configure your doses. As a roaster, I'm sure Danielle's going to have lots of fun playing with these. You see that? Rather than a single and a doppio, you get 3 different ones that you can all configure separately, and being an Elektra, you set your doses by your key.
When you've got one.
Just to prove the age of the machine for you there, look.
2001.
2001.
And we're just about, well, we're 1 month off of 2017. So
Yeah.
16.
Nearly 16 years old, this girl is. She does still have some wear and tear. The top's looking a little bit scratched. We actually broke our polishing mop on this machine. The rest of it is very shiny, as you can see. The nice lights coming from the back come through and, you know, give it a really mysterious look. Let's see this coffee coming out of the neck.
In Danielle's coffee cup, obviously.
In a Danielle's coffee cup.
It's not Danielle's, it's mine.
Hey!
Yeah.
We're drinking the Drink Up blend by Danielle's Coffee, and I've got to say it's a lot more aromatic than our blend. Our blend is very chocolatey, creamy flavour. This is much more what I'd call a traditional coffee.
That came through very fast. The grinder wants a bit of work, but it's close.
Yeah, again, we set the grinder up on our blend. Danielle, she's got lots of different blends. She's got lots of grinders, funnily enough, now, so she'll probably have them set up for different blends, and so that she's getting the best coffee out of her, the best espresso out of her coffee. You know, it all comes down to the grinder at the end of the day and the machine, obviously.
Yeah, we need the coffee a bit finer, to be fair, to get anything in it. I got something in it.
Better than mine.
Oh, That's engineer's coffee for you anyway. Daniel will make you the proper coffee.
Yeah.
Just give it a shadow screen.
There we go, not too bad, but definitely not a swan. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, like our Facebook, like our Instagram, like our Twitter. You know the score. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know if there's anything that you want to see. If there's anything that we've got lying around that we can do that's fun or interesting for you to watch, let us know.
Any machines want pimped out?
Yeah. Any machines that you want this kind of stuff doing to, you know where to come now.
Got any old famers sitting in the garage? Oh, give us a shout.
The only thing we don't do is frappuccinos. Don't give us a frappuccino, we will hang up on you, I'm afraid.
Yep.